break time.
We loved that there were other people and kids and families to hang out with at the school every day.
It's after class, and we walked up the hill into Monteverde, and now we are at a restaurant called Stella's. We just finished a rousing game of Uno. See how excited the children are.
Mom doesn't know the rules.
I think Tice makes up rules. This is everybody's food. Look at those waffles.
Oh, sorry.
This is Stella's. Ryan calls it a hipster place. So, as we do at every place before we enter, there are little sinks and soap so that we can wash our hands before we go inside. Today we brought the kids to the dairy farm that we went to on our field trip yesterday so we can get some ice cream. It's hard to order ice cream when you don't know what those flavors mean, even translated. How's your coconut?
Good.
Yeah? How's yours? What does it taste like, that green?
I don't know. It tastes like green.
Jackson, what'd you get?
I got like cookies.
How is it?
Very good.
Tice, how you like coconut?
Good.
Good.
Vodka.
Oh, she's filming. Hey, Sylvia. Right, Sylvia?
Prehistoric animals of Costa Rica.
I'm gonna try to ride the horse.
Wandered up to a chocolate shop. Chocolate with passion fruit. Into the bat cave. Can you hear him?
No, I definitely couldn't.
Why he's waiting for mama and maybe to move. So a male have a pregnant female, so they make a group right there. Just about the middle pages. I'm going to put some fresh roots. And again.
I saw his tongue. I saw his tongue. I saw that tongue.
Did you like the bat cave?
Yeah, I didn't think it was as bad as I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be like the one in Mackinac Island where you actually go in a cave and the bats fly around. But no, they're like in their own cage. So it's pretty cool.
This is the bat exhibit and chocolate shop. There's also a sandwich shop, and it's way up there. A nice view. You can see lots of birds up there. Would you recommend it?
Definitely would. The chocolate's yummy. The bats are pretty cool. About the chocolate shop was we met a poodle named Lolita. And she was so cute and so little. She looked like electrocuted. It was kind of scary. She looked like this. Like
No, she
into my
didn't.
eyes. It was like full contact.
She had a cute haircut. We can see the Pacific Ocean and Jackson jumping over things. Smile! Good job! Gracias! Yes!
The school has a little indoor pool, and I've never seen a prettier indoor pool than this one. It is so picturesque. It's pretty small and takes a while to warm up, but it's a lot of fun to be in.
You turn it off.